In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Google Forms sheet seamlessly. Whether you're conducting a survey, gathering feedback, or planning an event, Google Forms is a versatile tool that can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and explore the steps to master Google Forms. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Google's homepage. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're logged into your Google account. This is essential because Google Forms saves your work directly to your Google Drive, and signing in ensures all your projects are synced and easily accessible. Once you're on the Google homepage, look towards the upper right-hand corner where you'll find the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid or a collection of dots. Click on it to reveal the menu of various Google Apps. From this menu, locate the option labeled Forms and give it a click. Now that you've opened Google Forms, you'll see an interface with various options for starting your form. For creating a new form from scratch, you'll want to select the big plus sign that says blank underneath it. Clicking here gives you a clean slate to start building your form exactly the way you envision it. At this point, you're in the form editor, a place where creativity meets practicality. You'll notice a few important elements on this page. Start by giving your form a title and a description to clearly define what your form is about. An informative title will make it easy for your respondents to understand the purpose right away. As you work through crafting your questions, you can choose from several different question types to suit your needs: multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, and more. Just click on the question type you want and fill in your queries and answer choices. Remember, you can also add images or videos to make your form more engaging. Customization doesn't stop at just questions and media. You can also organize your form by adding sections, allowing you to break up larger forms into manageable segments. This keeps your form neat and encourages respondents to complete it without feeling overwhelmed. Simply click on the Add section icon on the right, and an additional section will appear. One thing to keep in mind as you create your Google form is that it automatically saves your progress. There's no need to hit save every few minutes. Google has got you covered. Once you're done creating and customizing your form, you'll want to check how it looks. Preview it by clicking the eye icon in the top right corner. This lets you see exactly what your respondents will see. Finally, when you're ready to send out your form, hit the Send button. You can share it via email, link, or even embed it on a web page. It's that simple to distribute your new Google form to collect all the data you need. Now you're all set to create beautiful and functional Google Forms. Isn't that easy? You'll find it's a straightforward tool that can significantly aid with data collection and organization. Thanks for watching, and happy form creating.